Hey, check this 2013 Camaro SS1LE car. We're going to do a engine compartment overview as well as a engine cold start today. But make sure you check out the other videos we did in an exterior walk around, an interior video. We're also doing a undercarriage video, so you can see how clean this car is with 4,000 miles on it. We'll also do a run and drive video, but this is brand new, clean, clear title, and 4,000 miles on it. So as you can imagine, it runs and drives and looks like brand new. There has been a few modifications done to this, and they're all tasteful, nothing real in depth. But it's got a Nicky cold air intake. Cold air inductions intake, but we got a cold air intake. It's also got a showstopper heat extractor hood on it. Here you can see, made specifically for the 1LE, and you can see the 1LE emblem on it. But very nice, tasteful mods. And if you watch the exterior walk around, I pointed out it does have a Corsa exhaust, and so as you would expect, it does look like brand new. The engine isn't even dirty. I don't think it's ever been driven in rain or snow, for that matter. But do a quick cold start. There you can see 4,000 miles. Give you a quick walk around so you can hear the exhaust and all that. Sounds very good. This car was adult owned, so by adult I mean in the person in the 50s, not an 18-year-old or a 19-year-old. But this was an older adult owned and baby car, so nothing to worry about there. It does still have the original tires on it, as it should, for 4,000 miles. And you never know when you get it into a younger person's hands. But so there's the engine compartment cold start video for this 2013 Camaro SS1LE car. Check out the other videos. If you got any questions, feel free to send me a message or give me a call. Thanks.